Hello everyone, this is our lecture number 16. In this lecture, we have study about the numerical problem based on an doubly reinforced beam by limit state method. In our previous lecture, we discussed the formulas for finding the moment of resistance for the case of doubly reinforced beam. So we applied that formula here and find the solution. So here we take one problem. In this problem we have to determine ultimate moment capacity of a RC beam with B is equal to 300 mm, capital D is equal to 600 mm, AST is equal to 2060 mm square, ASC is equal to 804 mm square, effective cover is equal to 50 mm, M20 and Fe 415 steel. M20 is the grade of concrete and Fe 415 is the grade of steel. So this is our question, and here we have to find the ultimate moment capacity, or we say we have to find the MR, moment of resistance. So we have this dimension. So what we have to do, we have to first draw the diagram, and after that we have to write the given data. So here we have given data. First we make a diagram. We have reinforcement area. This is steel reinforcement. This is 2060. Here we have ASC 804. Here we have given 300 mm width. Overall depth is 600 mm. Now we have to find effective depth. So how we find effective depth? For finding the effective depth, what we have to do? We have to subtract effective cover from the overall depth. So from this point to this point is our effective depth, and effective depth is equal to capital D minus effective cover. So in this case capital D is 600 and effective cover is 50. So our effective depth is 550 mm. Means small d value is our 550 mm. Here we write small d is equal to 550 mm. So this value is used for effective depth. Now we have to first find the limiting depth. So we have one formula for that, for finding the limiting depth. For Fe415, we know that XU max or XU limit is equal to 0.48 D for Fe415. So 48 into 550, this we already find. So 0.48 into 550, here we get 264 mm as limiting depth. Now we have to find the actual depth. So for finding the actual depth, we have one formula. We use that formula for finding that. So formula is, for actual depth we have one formula, and the formula is 0.36 FCK BXU plus ASC FSC minus 0.45 FCK is equal to 0.87 FYAST. So we have to find actual depth, means we have to find AXU, but in this condition we have two unknown value, one FSC is also there. So what we have to do, we have used formula for finding the FSC value, that is the strain at compression side, means ESC. Summation SC is equal to XU minus DC upon XU into 0.0035. This formula we have to use for finding the ESC. So with the help of this ESC, according to our table which we studied in our previous lecture, we find the FSC. So first we have, what we have to do, we have to find the XU. So how we find the XU? Here we take trial value or assume value as FSC is equal to 350. Here we assume FSC is equal to 350. So here if we take FSC is equal to 350, then we have to find the XU value, because remaining values we have given in our problem. So 0.36, FCK is 20, B is 300, XU we have to find, plus ASC at 0.4, FSC we assume or 350 minus 0.45 into 20 is equal to 0.87 into Fy is 415 into AST is equal to 2060. So after solving this equation, here we get XU is equal to 217.4 mm. So this is the value of XU for FSC 350. Now we have checked this value is safe or not. So how we check this? Here we get XU value, we have to put this XU value in our equation of strain, means epsilon ESC. So we put this value in our equation. So epsilon ASC is equal to XU minus DC upon XU into 0.0035. So XU is 217.4 minus DC is the effective cover. So here effective cover is 50. So effective cover for both side is 50 mm. So here we write 50 divided by 217.4 into 0.0035. So here we get 0.00269. This is the strain value from here we get. Now with the help of table, we know that we have value for Fe400, ESC and FSC. ESC and FSC we have value, and we have used this value for solving the FSC. So for Fe415, here we get 0.0269. So here we have 0.00241, 0.00276, and FSC value is 342.8 and 351.8. So these values we have already discussed in our previous lecture. So with the help of interpolation, we find the FSC value. So here we do interpolation. So here we take interpolation. So 342, if you take exact and subtract this, if you have take exact, means you deduct this, only we have take 342 and 351 because 8 is common. So 342 plus 0.00269 minus 0.00241 divided by 0.00276 minus 0.00241. Now multiply this equation with 351 minus 342. So after solving this equation we get 349.2 Newton per mm square, and here we take 350 as a try, means this value we take is safe, means it is okay because this value is matched with our trial value. So here xu is equal to 217.4. this is our actual depth, and limiting depth we already find. So our limiting depth or xu max is equal to 264 mm. That means xu is less than xu max, or this condition is the under reinforced condition. So for this section we have to find the ultimate moment capacity. So for finding the ultimate moment capacity we have one formula which we used for that. So formula is 0.36 FCK BXU D minus 0.42 XU plus ASC FSC minus 0.45 FCK D minus DC. This formula is used for finding the moment of resistance. Now put all values in this equation. So 0.36 into 20 into 300 into 217.4, 550 minus 0.42 into 217.4 plus 804, 350 minus 0.45 into 20, 550 minus 50. So this is the values which we put in our equation. So after solving this equation, here we get 352.15 kilonewton meter as a moment of resistance of this section of doubly reinforced beam. So this is the process how we find the moment of resistance for the case of doubly reinforced beam by limit state method. You used same steps for finding the moment of resistance for various section. This section is under reinforced, that why we use this equation. For over reinforced section you have to use 0.87 Fy equation, AST1 D minus 0.42 XU plus 0.87 Fy AST2 D minus DC, and for balance section simply you change XU is equal to XU max. So you have find this various section with the help of these equations. So today's lecture is over, guys. We meet with another lectures. Thank you.